another DIY science experiment sessions with me, Khushi Gupta. So, let's get started. So, can you change the direction of an object drawn on a paper without moving the paper? Seems impossible, right? Let's see a magic. For that magic, let's quickly move to a workstation and perform an experiment. So, step 1. Get a sheet of paper with 2 arrows drawn on it. One arrow near the top and one arrow near the bottom. Make the arrows point in the same direction. I have made in right direction. Okay. Now step 2. Take the glass or the jar filled with water. Slowly lower the piece of paper behind the glass of water. Look through the glass of water and watch what happens. The arrows change its direction. How? See, the direction is on the right side, and when we put this behind the jar, the direction becomes left. Do you know why the arrow appears to change directions? Let's find out the answer. So, we just performed our activity. What did we observe? The scientific concept behind the experiment is refraction. Now, what is refraction? Refraction is the bending of light. Refraction occurs when light travels from one medium to another, that is air to water or water to air. So, refraction happens. Let's understand this in detail by watching a PPT.
Yellow class presents refraction of light. How does the science experiment work? During the experiment, the light traveled from the image through the air, then through the glass cup into the water, and finally out of the glass cup and into the air once more before it reached to our eyes. Light refracts as it passes from one medium to the next because it travels at different speeds through those mediums. Light travels fastest through air, a little slower through water, and even slower through glass. This means that the light bends when it travels through the glass cup into the water, and then it bends again when it travels out of the glass cup and into the air. As a result, the light paths cross and the image appears to be flipped horizontally, either left or right. I hope you enjoyed the experiment.
I hope you are all clear with the concept of refraction. So, perform this activity at your home and do share your videos with us. Bye-bye till the next time.